and to ask questions and to demand answers on behalf of the Kenyan people, not just Elgeyo Marakwet, but the Kenyan people. So I am perfectly in order to ask these questions, not just here, but also at the chambers, where we've been asking many times, but I felt it was important to not let go that statement that came out yesterday, because then it would appear as though us farmers from the North Rift have acceded to that kind of PR that is meant to wing our people from addressing the real issues. Yeah. I don't know. I have not seen it. I don't know. I've not seen. I see many people asking about the deputy president. The deputy president office is across there, around the annex. This is the Parliament of Kenya. I can only answer questions related to my office and Parliament. The DP has officers in his office who can answer those questions. Asanteni sana. Na Mungu awabariki. Yeah.
Would it be important that there was an invite yesterday for the DP to attend the event as a national leader?
Just like you, I have also the same question. So I don't know whom you are asking this question. We all of us can ask the executive. I'm even asking for maize. You're asking about small things about attendance to a meeting. I am not aware. My very important issue today is maize, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.